Hi everyone. Today we're going to take this opportunity to review something we learned in math a couple of sessions ago. It was in session 6.6 that we learned a rule of multiplication called the associative property of multiplication. When you are using the associative property of multiplication, you are reviewing how to multiply with three factors. We had three numbers. Remember that it does not matter how we group the factors with the parentheses. The answer will be the same. We will work carefully with the math partner and show all of our steps to solve the equation. Let's do one together. Here we have the parentheses between 4 and 2. That could be one way we can do it. The first thing you must do is not hold the answer in your head and just try to do the next step. You must record your thinking. 4 times 2 is 8. Then you must bring down the multiplication symbol sign and then bring down the next factor, which is 6. Now we ask ourselves, 8 times 6. Well, boys and girls, I know that 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 5 is 40. Plus one more 8, 40 plus 8 equals 48. And then I would write my 48. Okay? I would write the equation here, and then finally this line here, actually, you know what you could do? That's another reason why we put the line there, is that once I see you do that work, then you would write the answer down here. Because mathematically, we want that equation to start growing and showing closer and closer results. That means that you have proved that 4 times 2 is 8, then you bring down the next factor. Once you do this work, then you come down and you show me how that works. Here's another way that we can do this, okay? Another way that we can show 4 times 2 times 6. We can do the parentheses with the 2 and the 6. It will not change the answer. Watch, I'll prove it to you. 2 times 6. Well, I know that 2 times 5 is 10, plus 2 more is 12. So I write my 12 down here. Then I go backwards, and I remember I must prove my thinking. I have to put the X there, and then I have to bring down my 4. You can use a multiplication table to help you with the 12s. They get tricky. Or perhaps you can look at it this way. You can say to yourself, 4 times 10. 12 is close to 10. 4 times 10 quickly is 40. We've been practicing on 11. 4 times 11 is 44. 44 plus 4 more is 48. So here's another way that you can use a multiplication table, or ask yourself, what do I already know about my multiplication facts that can help me? Today you're going to work on solving this with a math partner. Remember that I have taught you how to use the top of a page as a reteaching tool. And then here, if you notice, A is the one that we did here. So I got you started and I showed. Remember, first solve what's inside the parentheses, bring it down, bring down your multiplication symbol, then your next factor, solve it, and continue thereafter. Okay? Good luck, boys and girls. If you are stuck or don't know what to do, please go back up here and look at this as an example to show how you are growing your equation and narrowing it down so that you can prove your thinking. If you have any questions, you can certainly come to me or to a math partner or the experts that we have listed on our expert Laddick board. Good luck, and let's keep working.